Alrighty, Mike, here's your 347 small block Ford. Gives description of this combination. Got a set of RS cast heads on it. We got your Cobra valve covers, Holley manifold, fuel management by Holley Terminator X, custom grind hydraulic roller, front end on it. Got the Moroso front sump oil pan. Wonder make a run. So she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300 or 394 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 416, peak horsepower 432, so everything's good. It's got a front end on it. So what we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. Save your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have a lot of data on it. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.